In our last episode, we had reached Akureyri. Now it was the time to head west across Iceland and into the untouched Westfjords. But our first stop was this church, sitting completely on its own, one of the oldest in Iceland. And I think that's what I liked about it. It did not feel like a tourist attraction, it just felt like it had always been there. From there, we kept driving. And then we came across this waterfall. I remember just standing there for a while, watching the water disappear into the canyon. Maybe that's the best part of traveling like this. You don't really know what's around the next corner. A little later, we stopped at Little Beer, a tiny, very old cafe where we had a quick bite to eat. It was a simple stop, but really a good one. The further we went into the Westfjords, the quieter everything became. And then you start noticing things like this. One small house sitting beside a huge stretch of water. Nothing around it, just mountains. I could have stayed here much longer. There was something about the Westfjords that felt different from the rest of Iceland. Less polished, less busy, almost like the landscape had been left alone. And honestly, I liked it that way. and deep. We had seen photographs of it before coming here, but standing underneath it was something else. You don't really need words for this one. From the waterfalls, we went all the way to the cliffs of Latreberg. And here, the cliffs were full of life. These little guys were completely unbothered by us. Eventually, we had to leave the Westfjords, and after spending so much time out there, getting back on the road almost felt strange. But we still had one more part of Iceland to explore, Snæfellsnes. Snæfellsnes was a completely different experience. The roads kept pulling us closer to the ocean and then taking us straight back into the mountains.
There's always wonder to be found in this world full of color. We'll journey together.
And every now and then, you would get a road like this.
Sunny days, summer nights, soaking in this wildlife. Tell me, could this get any better? Open skies, open roads.
It was one of those drives where I did not really want to reach the destination.
Any better, this beautiful life. What a beautiful life. Come with me.
Then the landscape changed again. Black rock, red earth, almost nothing growing. For a few minutes, it genuinely felt like we had driven into another planet. And that's what I love about Iceland. You can drive for an hour and suddenly the whole landscape changes. We spent the rest of the day exploring around Snæfellsnes, walking, driving, stopping whenever something looked interesting. No real plan, just following the road. By evening, the lights started changing, and then we were back on the road again. The kind of evening where you don't really want to stop. You just keep driving and let the light do its thing. Eventually, we reached Kirkjufell. It was late, but it did not really feel late. The sun was still hanging on, and after everything we had seen, this felt like a pretty good place to end. Our Iceland journey finally comes to an end. We started this trip with a camera and somehow ended up with years of memories.